Hey friends, welcome to Frank's Monster Garage. Today we have a really cool versus. It's fire versus ice. Whoa. Wait, who's this guy in the middle? Wait. I don't know which team to join. I'm fire and ice. Well, you have flames on your hood, but you also are a dairy delivery, so you're like an ice cream truck, so you're cold too. Let's see if we can solve this. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 fire contestants, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 ice contestants. So why don't you join fire? Sounds good. Now it's even. That's great. Oh no, the spectators fell down. We got all these guys over here. Let's get this party started. First up, we've got Aqua Stallion. How far can you jump, Aqua Stallion? Ready, your mark, get set, go. Whoa, that was pretty cool. You went pretty far, but you didn't land on your wheels. And this is a competition where landing on your wheels is really good. Next up, we have Hot Wheels Dairy Delivery, racing for the fire team. On your mark, get set, go. Whoa, he jumped over the hole, but crashed as well. Up next, we've got Mystery Machine. You're up, Mystery Machine. Your mark, get set, go. Whoa, Mystery Machine went flying, crashed right into Hot Wheels Dairy Delivery. We've got Fire Max D next. Hopefully this one can go flaming far. 1, 2, 3, go. Whoa, that one went really far, landed on its wheels. Max D is in the lead right now. The fire team is doing really well. Up next, for the ice team, we've got 32 degrees. That's freezing. On your mark, get set, go. Whoa, the ice team went really far, crashed right into Max D, but didn't land on its wheels. So Max D for the fire team is looking like a good winner. Next up for fire, we have Dragonoid. All right, Dragonoid, are you ready? 1, 2, 3, go. Whoa, Dragonoid went flying, but way out there. Landed on its wheels. The fire team's looking really good. It's got 2 of the farthest jumps, and they both landed on their wheels. Next up for the ice team, we have Rage. Rage, you ready to go? I'm raging to go. All right, 1, 2, 3, go. Whoa, Rage went super far, but didn't land on its wheels. So we'll see if there's enough trucks out there, then it might not matter at all. Next up for fire team, we've got El Toro Loco. El Toro Loco, you ready to go? Whoa, it's shooting flames. All right, 1, 2, 3, go. Whoa, El Toro Loco crashed right into Hot Wheels Dairy Delivery. That's not good for the fire team. Hopefully, there's only 2 people left for fire and 2 people left for ice. So hopefully one of these teams can make it a very clear victory. Up next, we've got Ice Zombie. Ready. That one's ready to fly. Got the arms in the air. 1, 2, 3, go. Whoa, Ice Zombie crashed right into Fire Max D. Whoa, that's pretty crazy. So we've got another Fire Max D coming up. There's only two trucks left after this one. Let's see what Fire Max D can do. Ready, 1, 2, 3, go. Oh, Fire Max D landed on its wheels, but barely made it over the hole. All right, we've got 2 contenders left to Sparkle Smash for the ice team and Horsepower for the fire team. Let's Sparkle Smash is your last jump. Ready to go? Let's see how far you can fly. Ready, 1, 2, 3, go. Whoa, Sparkle Smash went flying way down there. Let's go see how far Sparkle Smash went. Wow, check it out. Way down there. There's Rage and Sparkle Smash, and this is where Max D and everybody else is. This other pile's right there. I don't know if it's gonna matter, but we've got two ice ones way down there, and then 2 fire ones that land on their wheels. Let's see how far Horsepower goes. Last one for the fire team. 1, 2, 3, go. Oh no, Horsepower just barely made it over the hole. I think the winner today is gonna be Ice. We'll go pick them all up and we'll see which one's the winner. We got, this is one of the spectators. It's it's Ice Zombie and Ice Daredevil and Ice Hotweiler. And then on the other side we had Torque Terror, Pure Muscle, We'll Trash It All, Chrome Gravedigger with the wheelie bar, Snakebite, Gravedigger, Batitude, and the safety team we had the fire truck just here in case anybody got caught on fire. And then let's look at all the contenders that we had. We had Fire Max D, Fire El Toro Loco, Fire Hot Horsepower, Fire Ice Cream Delivery, Ice Mystery Machine, Ice Aqua Stallion, 32 Degrees for the Ice team, Ice Zombie, Fire Max D, Fire Dragonoid, and the winners of the jump competition today is Ice Rage and Ice Sparkle Smash. Let's see all these monster trucks together. We'll put the Ice team out here first. That's all 6 of the Ice team. So we had Rage, Sparkle Smash, Aqua Stallion, Mystery Machine, Zombie, and 32 Degrees. And then for the Fire team, we had Dragonoid, Max D, Horsepower, El Toro Loco, Hot Wheels Dairy Delivery, and a different Max D. And then for all the spectators, we had Batitude, the safety team fire truck, Chrome Gravedigger, regular Gravedigger, Torque Terror, Pure Muscle, Zombie, Snakebite, Daredevil, Hotweiler, and We'll Trash It All. Let's see how many monster trucks we had here today. We had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. 22 monster trucks today. That's a lot of monster trucks. The Ice team was the winner this time, but maybe Fire will win next time. Who knows? But our winners today were Sparkle Smash and Rage, but also who did really well was Fire Max D. So that's it. See you next time, friends. Hey friends, welcome to Frank's Monster Garage. Let's go find some monster trucks. Whoa! It's Mohawk Warrior with purple tires. That's pretty cool. Whoa, who's this? Do you know the name of this monster truck? Have you seen it before? It's Skeleton Crew. Check this one out. Look at that hair on the back. Wow. And it's got an arm in its mouth. And it's waving at us. It's Yellow Zombie. Whoa, check this out. Who's this? Looks like an octopus. Look at all the tentacles and arms that it has. It's Octonator. Check it out, check it out. It's Scooby-Doo. Can you see the Scooby? Can you spell Scooby-Doo? S-C-O-O-B-Y-D-O-O. Scooby-Doo. Pretty cool. Whoa, check it out. It's Superman. Does this monster truck fly? Sure does. Pretty cool. What about this one? Do you know the name of this one? Hissy Fit. H-I-S-S-Y space F-I-T. Hissy Fit. It's 2 different words. Wah, wah, wah. Whoa, check this one out. It's Gangster. You see the word gangster on there? And on the back it's spelled G-U-N-K-S-T-E-R. G-U-N-S-T-E-R. Gangster. That's a pretty cool looking monster truck. Check it out, there's an elephant in here. I wonder what it's doing. Oh my goodness, the elephant's gonna knock over Donkey Kong. And there's Donkey Kong. That's a pretty cool looking monster truck too. Whoa, who's that? It's trying to get out of my hand. It's Hotweiler. Whoa. Look at this one. It's Monster Mutt Dalmatian, but it looks like it's from the stars or the galaxy or something. It's pretty cool. It's out of this world. Check it out, check it out. It's Green Zombie. Look at the feet on the back of that one. That's so silly looking. And it's got the long arm in the front. Whoa. Wait, it's missing a hand over here. Oh no. That's so silly. Check this one out right here. It's Dragonoid. That's pretty neat looking Dragonoid. Whoa, who's this? Do you know the name of this one? It looks like a fish. And it's got a big lower jaw. It's got teeth. It's Piranha. Good job. Wow, check it out, check it out. It's Bowser. He's got spikes on the hood, on the roof of his monster truck. He got cool yellow tires. Whoa, who's this over here? It's Will Trash It All. It's the monster truck trash truck. It's pretty cool looking. Whoa, check this one out. It's Dragon. It's got yellow tires with orange rims. Whoa, that's super cool. Who's that over there? It just says ha 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 on the side. It's the Joker. Whoa. Oh wow, there's one more. Do you know the name of this one? It's got a dump truck on the back. It's Triceratops. Wow, let's see all the monster trucks we found today. We found Will Trash It All, Dragon, the Joker, Triceratops, Piranha, Hotweiler, Gangster, Superman, Bowser, a Green Zombie, Scooby-Doo, Donkey Kong, Mohawk Warrior, Octonator, Hissy Fit, Monster Mutt Dalmatian, Dragonoid, Yellow Zombie, Skeleton Crew, and an elephant. Which one was your favorite monster truck today? I think mine is Green Zombie. It's my favorite monster truck today. It's pretty cool looking. We'll see you next time, friends. Hey friends, welcome to Frank's Monster Garage. Hey, what are you guys doing over here? We found a feather. Yeah, we found a feather. Yeah, I found the feather. Wait, y'all found this feather? It's my feather. I found it first. But we found it too. Yeah, we found it too. Well, I guess maybe we can just share it. Yeah, let's just share it. Yeah, we can share it. We can take turns. That's what friends do. We take turns and we share stuff. Yeah, that sounds great. That's so cool. Okay, wait, hey, check it out, guys. I found El Toro Loco, a lion, and Sparkle Smash. That's pretty cool. Whoa, look at this. It's One Bad Scoop. That's pretty neat. It's got whipped cream and cherries on top. And it's got chocolate, strawberry, and vanilla ice cream inside, all served with a waffle cone. It's pretty cool. Whoa, what's this one? Who's this? It's Tiger Shark, but what kind of Tiger Shark? It looks like toxic waste or something like that. Whoa, that's super dangerous. That's so scary. It's toxic waste tiger shark. Oh wow, look at this. It's Batman. I wonder if Batman knows how to deal with that. I don't know. It's a pretty cool looking monster truck though. Do you like Batman? I like Batman. Whoa, check it out. It's Invader. It's a really cool looking tank monster truck. But this is a friendly tank. It always helps people. That's pretty neat. Wow, who's this? I don't know. Do you know this one's name? It just says Adventure Force on it. I don't know this one's name. Wow, check this out. It's a super cool train monster truck. Do you know the name of this one? That's pretty neat. Whoa, who's this? It's a frozen zombie monster truck. I've never seen this before. It's so cool. Ha ha ha. Cool, get it? What's this? Oh, it's Old Gravedigger. That's a really cool old body style. Check this one out. It's a dinosaur. It's like a Triceratops, but it's Jurassic Attack. Whoa, that's super cool. Do you see any more monster trucks? Whoa, who's this? It's Bigfoot, but it's called Big Bite on the side. It's a mix between Bigfoot and Snakebite. Oh, look, it says Snakefoot on this side and Big Bite on this side. Wow, that's pretty neat. Check this one out. It's Blue Thunder. I like Blue Thunder. It's a pretty cool looking monster truck. What about this one? Ew, it's Son of a Digger. It's so cool. It's purple with blue flames. Pretty neat. Check this out. It's a food truck monster truck. It's Bread Boys. It's got sandwiches inside. It's kind of like an ice cream truck, but it's got food instead. Yum yum. Sandwiches are delicious. Whoa, who's that over there? Whoa, it's Mega Rex. Check this out. It's a white Mega Rex. That's really cool looking. Look, another white one. This one's white with black stripes. It's Racing Stripes. It's a zebra monster truck. That's so cool. Whoa, who's that? It's a red Dragonoid. That's pretty neat. And look at this one over here. It's Stone Crusher. It's got blue wheels and it crushes stone. Whoa. Let's see all the monster trucks we found today. We found Stone Crusher, Racing Stripes, Dragonoid, Old Gravedigger, Son of a Digger, Snakefoot, Big Bite, and Snakefoot, whoa, Mega Rex, Blue Thunder, this one, I don't know this one's name, Ice Zombie, Batman, Jurassic Attack, Red Boys, El Toro Loco, Loco Punk, Sparkle Smash, Invader, One Bad Scoop, and Toxic Tiger Shark. Don't forget the One Big Lion Roar. Let's see all the trucks, monster trucks we found. We found 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Found 19 monster trucks. Which one's your favorite today? I think the Snakefoot, Big Bite, Bigfoot is my favorite today. Thanks for watching. See you next time, friends. Hey friends, welcome to Frank's Monster Garage. Let's go find some monster trucks. Whoa, check this one out. Wow, that's super cool. It's a Jeep Wrangler with the tracks up for tires. They can climb over anything. Whoa, check this out. It's Earthshaker. It's got dirt in the back. It's pretty cool. Who's that? Oh, it's Mega Rex. Check it out. It's No, it's Zombie Rex. So cool. Whoa, who's this? It's Fire Max D. That's so neat. Look at those tires. Whoa, it's Pirate's Curse. He's got a cool sword on the front in his mouth. And a cool pirate's hat up there. Whoa, do you see that blue one down there? It's Megalodon. That's so neat. Do you see any more monster trucks? Whoa, who's that? It's Zombie. Wow. Super cool. Check this one out. It's glow-in-the-dark Invader. That's pretty neat. Let's put this in the bin. Whoa, check this out. It's Jurassic Attack. Or no, it's Jurassic World Tyrannosaurus Rex. It looks like Hot Wheels Dairy Delivery a little bit. Do you see that over there? That's pretty silly. There's a tiger on top of a school bus, on a monster truck school bus, with another school bus right there. This is higher education. It's a monster truck school bus. And then this is a tiger. Roar. And this is 2 school. It's another giant monster truck school bus. That's pretty cool. It's 2 school. It says on the back, never, Hot Wheels never stops. Do you see any more monster trucks? Whoa, it's Spider-Man. Check that out. That's a really cool Spider-Man. Do you have that monster truck? What about this one? It's Lumberjack. Wow. It's got a big stack of wood on the back. Pretty neat looking. And look, it's Ice Max D. All white. It's really cool. Check this one out. It's a white Megalodon. That's pretty cool too. So we have Max D, Megalodon, Spider-Man, Zombie Rex. We got Blue Megalodon. We got Invader, Pirate's Curse, Jeep Wrangler, Tyrannosaurus Rex, Fire Max D, Lumberjack, Earthshaker, Higher Education, a Tiger, Zombie. Don't forget this giant monster truck. How many things did we find today? We found 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 monster trucks? 16 monster trucks and 1 tiger. That's a lot of monster trucks. That's pretty cool. Which one was your favorite? Pirate's Curse was mine today. Thanks for watching. See you next time, friends. Hey friends, welcome to Frank's Monster Garage. Let's go find some monster trucks. Whoa, check this out, check this out. It's Salvager. It's so cool. Look at that exhaust on the back. That's so neat looking. Whoa, who's that over there? Wow, check that one out. It's underneath all these plants. It's Boogie Van. It's a really cool looking van. Look at the eyes on the front of the hood. Who's that? Do you know this one's name? Is it Aqua Stallion? Yeah, it's pretty cool. I don't see this one that often. That's pretty neat looking. Do you see any more monster trucks? Whoa, who's that? Who's that? It's Gravedigger the Legend. That's pretty neat. Whoa, check this out, check this out. Look, there's a Sparkle Smash. Well, there's a monster truck down there, a mystery machine, and there's a shark on top of it eating a flower. Yum, 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 yum. That's so silly, a shark eating a purple flower? Wow, or does that shark have a mustache? I don't know. That's pretty cool though. And there's Sparkle Smash. Whoa, this one's got a wheelie bar on the back. That's pretty cool. That means it can do wheelies, yeah. That's so cool. Check this out. It's Mystery Machine. It's a really cool looking monster truck. Well, I guess it's a monster van. That's pretty neat. Oh look, the shark's coming back. Who's that? Who's that? It's trying to give the flower to Bone Shaker. Whoa. Hey Bone Shaker, that's a pretty cool looking truck you got there. Whoa, do you see this one over here? It's got dots all over it, polka dots all over it. What kind of dog is that? Do you know? Ah, silly. It's Monster Mutt Dalmatian. That's super cool. Whoa, check this one out. It's Red Zombie. Look at its arms. Wiggle like that. That's pretty neat looking. Wow. Do you see another monster truck? Whoa, who's this? Do you know this monster truck's name? Huh. Wait, it says it on there. E-L space T-O-R-O space L-O-C-O. It's El Toro Loco. That's pretty cool. Whoa, check this one out. It's a dog with its tongue hanging out. It's Scooby-Doo. Whoa, who's that? Oh, it's a glow-in-the-dark Motosaurus. Whoa, watch out, it's a snake. It's Cage Rattler. That's pretty cool. Whoa, look at this one. It's Wonder Woman. Wow, look at that lasso in the back of the truck. That's really neat. Whoa, who's this? Oh, it's all fried up. It's the French fry monster truck. Do you see another? Oh, look, it's Monster Truck Taxi. Whoa, that's cool looking. Look at the checkers on the hood and the roof and on the tires. Whoa, look at this one. It's one of my favorites. It's Demo Derby. Wow, this is a cool monster truck. And it's horsepower. Wow. It's fire horsepower. Look, it's the shark again. It's bringing Big Kahuna the flower. That's so silly, Mr. Shark. Look, it's Big Kahuna. It's this surfing monster truck. It's got two surfboards there. It's pretty cool looking. Let's see all the monster trucks we found today. Found Big Kahuna, Wonder Woman, Cage Rattler, Scooby-Doo, Monster Truck Taxi, Red Zombie, Glow-in-the-Dark Motosaurus, Bone Shaker, Monster Mutt Dalmatian, Sparkle Smash, Mystery Machine. Whoa, is that ice or water? It's Aqua Stallion. Gravedigger the Legend, El Toro Loco, Salvager, Fire, Horsepower, Demo Derby, All Fried Up, and Boogie Van. Don't forget the cool blue shark with the flower. Let's see. Let's count how many we found today. We found 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. We found 20 today. That's pretty cool. Which one's your favorite today? I think Demo Derby's my favorite today. See you next time, friends.